Miss Gale here from the Boulder City Library. I just wanted to take a couple of quick moments to show you our latest craft. It's our patriotic bugs. This one's a butterfly, but there's an assortment of different red, white, and blue bugs that you can make that have magnets on the back. This is a fun little craft to do when it's too hot to go outside and do anything else. Your kit includes a bug craft kit with all the pieces in it, a glue stick, which is going to come in very handy to glue the thing together, and a magnet that you put on the back so you can stick it on stuff. All you have to do, come on in and get your little craft today. And teens, we got you covered. Right now, we have this available for our teens. It's a whale, in keeping with our Tails and Tails theme. This little whale is also a planter. You can plant seeds in it, and right out of the top will grow a plant. All you do is paint it any way you like with some acrylic paints that come in your kit, and put a little plant in it. You got to come up with that one on your own. And of course, water it and give it some sunshine. Your kit includes the whale planter, a paintbrush, and you'll get a couple of containers that will have acrylic paints in them, different colors. The rest is up to you. We have new hours and we're open 7 days a week. Come on down, we'd love to see you. And get your patriotic bug kit or your whale planter. See you soon.